Hey guys, Nick here. Quick help video for you, Dotloop help video for you today. And I'm going to teach you how to print, how to download, how to open multiple batches of documents at once, and how to fax out of Dotloop. So let's open our loop screen. And so first, let's go how to print and download. So you want to select one or multiple docs that you want to print or download. So let's do two and say I want to print them. Hit the print button. It'll pop open the PDF screen and it'll prompt you for your printer. Easy enough, right? Dotloop documents, depending on who's viewing, I mean, if you're keeping them for your records for some reason, I would print black and white instead of color. But if you're having, if you ever sign in person, so if you have clients who can't digitally sign and you're printing the package for them to sign, print them in color, make them look good. They got that nice teal color up top. So print them in color, get them signed if you're doing it that way. And it'll open in a new window, so you can close this window. So another thing we can do is we can download these documents to our computer. So say I hit download, and it's going to create the PDFs. If you click multiple documents, it's going to create one document with those multiples included. So if you want to download them individually, click them individually. If you want to download them in one group, like you're doing a PA package and you want to send it to a lender who isn't part of Dotloop or doesn't want to use Dotloop, you can send it as a PDF. And do it all in one. Just click all the documents you want in that single document to create. So hit cancel. So another thing we can do is we can, when we're filling documents, this is a little helpful tip. When we're filling documents, we can fill all these documents at once without having to do them in one individual screen. So you can click open, click the docs you want, click open, and it's going to open them all up in the same screen as fillable. So you'll get your autofill screen already, which these are documents I haven't done anything with. So do your autofill screen, and then you can go top to bottom through the whole PA package if you want and fill these documents out in one shot. That may be easier than doing them individually. Personally, it doesn't matter to me. I like doing them individually, but if you want to open them all in one package, feel free. And that's how you do it. You click the copy button. Another thing you can do, which I bet you didn't know you can do, is you can fax out of Dotloop. So if you have an agent who was stuck in 1975 and needs it, well, geez, not even 70, it's probably 80s now, 80s and 90s, right? I know in 2004, I think we still had a fax machine in the office, but 80s and 90s, you can fax documents to places that still have a fax machine or require a fax machine. So you click the document you want to fax, and in the menu bar, it'll say fax. So put the fax number in and the message to the cover sheet. It'll create a cover sheet for you. So put the message in the cover sheet, write a professional message, of course, and hit send, and away it goes. So let's say I'm going to fax this to ourselves. And PA for 8th Street. Thanks. And then hit send. Your fax has been sent. So there are a couple things that should help you in your day, how to print and download documents, how to open multiple documents at once, and how to fax. If you have any questions, reach out to us, and have a great day.